Have you ever dreamed of walking into your garden and seeing bell peppers bursting from every branch as if your plants never stop producing? Today, we're going to unlock the secrets behind growing infinite bell peppers without any digging, complicated tools, or wasted effort. Welcome. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, this video will show you techniques that most gardeners overlook, revealing how small changes can lead to massive harvests. From soil magic to pruning tricks and little-known growth hacks, every tip in this video is designed to make your peppers thrive like never before. Get ready to discover methods that save time, maximize yields, and bring your garden to life. By the end of this journey, you'll not only know how to grow more peppers, but why these techniques work, so you can keep your harvests flourishing season after season. Secret number 1, build nutrient-rich, no-dig beds. The foundation of infinite bell peppers starts with the soil, or more accurately, how you prepare it. Instead of digging and turning over the earth, which can disturb beneficial organisms, you create a no-dig bed layered with compost, organic mulch, and well-rotted manure. This method mimics nature, allowing worms and microbes to naturally aerate the soil while continuously breaking down nutrients for your plants. Over time, the soil becomes a living ecosystem, teeming with nutrients that bell peppers love, meaning they grow stronger and produce more fruit without constant intervention. But it's not just about piling organic matter. The layering technique is key. Start with cardboard or newspaper as a weed barrier, then add a thick layer of compost followed by mulch. This setup retains moisture, regulates temperature, and prevents nutrient loss through runoff. Bell peppers thrive in slightly acidic to neutral soil, so mixing in a small amount of garden lime or crushed eggshells can subtly balance pH levels, giving your plants an extra edge. With this approach, even neglected corners of your garden can become pepper powerhouses. Bonus tip: sprinkle a teaspoon of slow-release organic fertilizer like fish emulsion or seaweed meal around the base of each plant every 4-6 weeks. It acts like a gentle boost, keeping your peppers producing continuously without over-fertilizing or shocking the plants. This little trick ensures your no-dig beds stay rich and alive all season long. Secret number 2, master vertical growth for maximum yield. Bell peppers naturally grow bushy, but did you know that training them to grow vertically can dramatically increase your harvest without taking up extra space? By supporting each plant with stakes, cages, or trellises, you guide the branches upward, improving air circulation and sunlight exposure. This not only encourages more flowers and fruits to develop, but also reduces the risk of fungal diseases, which often occur when leaves and fruits are crowded and shaded. Vertical growth is especially effective for small gardens or container setups where ground space is limited but productivity can still skyrocket. The key is gentle guidance. As your bell peppers grow, tie the main stem loosely to the support with soft ties, leaving room for natural movement. Remove any lower leaves that touch the soil to prevent pests and improve airflow. You can also pinch off early side shoots that won't bear fruit, directing the plant's energy toward producing larger, juicier peppers higher up. Over time, this careful shaping turns even a single plant into a vertical tower of vibrant, ready-to-harvest peppers. Bonus tip: add a lightweight trellis netting above the plants once they start flowering. This allows the branches to spread naturally while preventing them from bending or breaking under the weight of multiple fruits. It's a simple adjustment that keeps your plants upright and maximizes fruit development all season long. Secret number 3, strategic pruning for continuous, or fruit production. Pruning isn't just for aesthetics, it's one of the most powerful ways to keep your bell peppers producing nonstop. By carefully removing certain leaves and branches, you redirect the plant's energy from maintaining excessive foliage to developing larger flowers and more abundant fruits. The first step is to identify crowded or damaged leaves, especially those blocking sunlight from lower branches. Removing these allows light to penetrate deeper into the plant, stimulating dormant buds to grow and ensuring that every branch has the opportunity to produce fruit. Next, focus on the main stem and side shoots. Pinch back the top growth once the plant reaches your desired height to encourage bushier growth below. For side shoots, remove weak or small branches that won't likely produce flowers. This not only improves airflow, reducing the risk of fungal infections and pest infestations, but also strengthens the plant's structure so it can support heavier peppers. When done correctly, pruning transforms your bell pepper plant from a sprawling, uncontrolled bush into a streamlined, high-yielding powerhouse. Bonus tip: after pruning, apply a thin layer of compost or a diluted seaweed solution around the base of the plant. This provides a quick nutrient boost, helping the plant recover faster and encouraging continuous flowering and fruiting. Even small, consistent pruning sessions throughout the season can dramatically extend the harvest period and make your plants appear almost infinite in production. Secret number 4, optimize watering without overdoing it. Bell peppers are surprisingly sensitive to water. Too little, and the fruits will be small and misshapen. Too much, and the roots can rot, or the plant may develop fungal issues. The secret is consistent, deep watering that keeps the soil evenly moist but never waterlogged. Instead of shallow daily watering, which encourages weak surface roots, water slowly at the base of the plant, allowing moisture to reach the deeper roots. This encourages stronger root development, making the plant more resilient and better able to support continuous fruit production. Mulching around the base of each plant amplifies this effect. A thick layer of straw, shredded leaves, or even grass clippings helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and maintain stable soil temperature. Bell peppers thrive in soil that's slightly warm and consistently damp, so mulching acts like a natural sponge, reducing stress on the plant during hot spells. Pair this with morning watering routines and you'll avoid the late afternoon wet foliage that attracts pests and fungal growth, keeping your garden healthier all season. Bonus tip: mix a teaspoon of compost tea or diluted liquid seaweed into your watering routine once every 2 weeks. This delivers nutrients directly to the roots while boosting beneficial microbes in the soil. The combination of deep watering, mulching, and liquid feeding keeps your peppers hydrated, healthy, and producing continuously, even during unusually dry or hot weather. Now pause for a moment and picture your garden a few weeks from now. Vibrant green leaves, heavy branches bending under the weight of juicy bell peppers, and harvest baskets overflowing like never before. It might sound like a dream, but with the techniques we've shared so far, it's completely achievable. Here's something fascinating most gardeners overlook. Bell peppers actually produce more flowers when slightly stressed. That doesn't mean neglecting them, but lightly pruning, adjusting water timing, or giving them just enough sunlight variation can trick the plant into thinking it needs to reproduce more, resulting in higher yields. Small changes like this can make your garden feel almost magical as it keeps producing fruit seemingly endlessly. Take a moment and think about your own setup. What could you adjust today to boost production tomorrow? Even moving one plant to a sunnier spot or adding a little mulch could be the difference between a handful of peppers and a basketful. Secret number 5, feed for continuous flowering and fruiting. Bell peppers are heavy feeders, and without proper nutrition, they'll stop producing long before you want them to. Instead of relying solely on store-bought fertilizers, focus on organic, balanced feeding that provides nitrogen for leaf growth, phosphorus for flowers, and potassium for strong, healthy fruit. Using compost, worm castings, or slow-release organic fertilizers ensures nutrients are delivered steadily, preventing sudden growth spikes that can stress the plant or cause blossom drop. Timing is everything. Begin feeding when plants are about 6 to 8 inches tall, and then continue every 3 to 4 weeks during the growing season. Rotate nutrients. Nitrogen-heavy feed encourages strong foliage early on, while switching to a phosphorus and potassium focus just before flowering helps the plant produce more. Blooms that turn into peppers. Observing your plant closely is key. Yellowing leaves, stunted growth, or dropping flowers are signals that it's time for a nutrient boost. Remember that consistent nutrition is the key to continuous flowering and fruiting. Observing how your bell peppers respond to feeding, whether they're producing lush leaves, healthy flowers, or plump fruits, lets you fine-tune your approach. Even small adjustments in timing or nutrient type can dramatically improve overall yield and keep your plants producing throughout the season. Bonus tip: sprinkle a handful of crushed eggshells around the base or add a touch of bone meal when feeding. The calcium prevents blossom end rot, a common problem in bell peppers, and encourages sturdier stems and fruits. This simple feeding strategy keeps your plants flowering and fruiting consistently, making your harvest feel practically infinite. Secret number 6. Protect plants from pests without chemicals. One of the biggest threats to bell pepper production is pests. Aphids, whiteflies, spider mites, and caterpillars can quickly destroy flowers and fruits if left unchecked. The secret isn't to spray harsh chemicals, but to create a pest-resistant environment naturally. Companion planting is a powerful method. Herbs like basil, oregano, and mint not only repel insects, but can improve the flavor of your peppers. Marigolds, nasturtiums, and onions nearby can confuse pests and act as a natural barrier, keeping your plants healthier without harming beneficial insects. Another layer of protection comes from physical barriers. Lightweight mesh or row covers prevent flying insects from reaching flowers while still allowing sunlight and water to nourish the plant. You can also inspect plants regularly and remove any eggs or larvae by hand. A simple 5-minute check each day can prevent infestations from becoming catastrophic. Encouraging predators like ladybugs or lacewings helps keep aphids and mites in check naturally, turning your garden into a balanced ecosystem that sustains itself. Understand that prevention is far more effective than cure when it comes to pests. Observing your plants daily and spotting early signs of insect activity allows you to act quickly, keeping infestations under control without stressing your bell peppers. Simple routines like checking the undersides of leaves or noticing unusual leaf patterns can make all the difference in maintaining a healthy, high-yielding garden. Bonus tip: make a homemade insecticidal spray using diluted neem oil or garlic water. Apply it sparingly on the undersides of leaves once a week. This keeps pests away without poisoning your soil or fruits, letting your peppers grow uninterrupted and healthy, maximizing fruit production season after season. Secret number 7. Extend the harvest with successive planting. The final secret to nearly infinite bell peppers is timing your plantings to create a continuous harvest. Instead of planting all seeds or seedlings at once, stagger them in intervals of 2 to 3 weeks. This ensures that as the first plants begin to slow down, the next batch is ready to take over, keeping your garden productive for months without any gap in harvest. Successive planting also reduces the stress on your soil, as you can rotate the areas being used and avoid nutrient depletion in a single spot. It's also important to select a mix of early, mid, and late maturing bell pepper varieties. Early varieties produce fruit quickly, giving you an initial harvest, while mid and late varieties continue producing well into the season. This strategy creates a natural relay race in your garden, with one plant passing the baton to the next, keeping baskets full throughout the growing season. Combining this with proper pruning, feeding, and vertical support ensures every plant reaches its maximum potential. It's important to remember that timing is everything. Watching your garden closely and understanding the growth cycles of each variety allows you to plan successive plantings more effectively. Even small adjustments, like slightly earlier seed starting or carefully monitoring the first blooms, can ensure there's never a gap in your harvest, turning your garden into a continuous, productive system. Bonus tip: when starting seeds for the next round, consider using small containers or trays indoors for a head start. Harden off seedlings gradually before transplanting them outdoors. This not only speeds up growth but also protects young plants from pests and temperature shocks, guaranteeing a near-continuous supply of fresh bell peppers for your table and garden. And there you have it, 7 secrets that can turn a simple bell pepper patch into a near-infinite source of fresh, vibrant peppers. From nutrient-rich no-dig beds to strategic pruning, vertical growth, and staggered planting, each technique works together to maximize yield while keeping your garden healthy and low maintenance. Think back to your own garden. Which of these strategies could you try first? Could it be adjusting your watering routine, adding a trellis, or experimenting with companion plants to naturally protect your peppers? Take a moment to imagine the results. You might see your harvest doubling, maybe even tripling, simply by applying 1 or 2 of these secrets consistently. Gardening is as much about observation as it is about action. Notice how your plants respond, experiment with small tweaks, and watch your peppers thrive season after season. The beauty of these methods is that they empower you to create a garden that not only produces more, but also teaches you something new every time you step outside. Your next harvest could be your most rewarding yet. So take what you've learned today, try it out, and let the growth speak for itself.